Your dreams woven together. This wire makes dreams come true. From its inception, Asahi Intecc has been manufacturing wire ropes used for industrial equipment and later expanded to medical devices. In the field of industrial equipment, we supply synchro mesh wire ropes, cable racks, and other wire products with diverse functions. In the field of medical devices, our PCI guide wires help to revolutionize cardiovascular treatment, and we supply a variety of other medical materials. We employ renowned Asahi technologies to provide OEM and ODM services to medical device manufacturers around the world. We also supply guide wires, catheters, and other products used for catheter interventions in various therapeutic areas to customers worldwide under our own brand name. Our PCI guide wires, leading products marketed under our own brand name, enable a groundbreaking, minimally invasive treatment that reduces patients' trauma and hospitalization. In this way, we have greatly contributed to the worldwide use of PCI, or percutaneous coronary intervention. PCI is an endovascular treatment for diseases caused by blockage or narrowing of coronary and other blood vessels without a large surgical incision, in which a guide wire is inserted from the wrist or groin area into a blood vessel of the heart, and the narrowed blood vessel is expanded with the balloon catheter. By continuously listening to the voices of the doctors who actually treat patients and deal with various cases, quantifying their feeling in the form of product specifications, and by making product development and marketing teams work together, we have created many products. We created 4 core technologies to address doctors' real needs. Wire drawing technology is a processing technology to make wires thinner gradually to a desired diameter by using high-precision processed diamond dies. Wire forming technology is used to process various types of wire made by wire drawing, including stainless steel wire, into wire ropes and coils designed for different purposes. Coating technology is composed of 2 processing components. The former is to coat the surface of wires and ropes with an ultra-thin film of PTFE resin or other material, and the other is to extrude thermoplastic resin. Our unique processing equipment and special torque technology improve maneuverability of a wire by giving a wire ideal torque response. Leveraging these 4 core technologies, Asahi Intecc has created numerous medical devices that meet doctors' needs. We have further developed these core technologies into even more advanced cutting-edge technologies, including laser processing and dye and injection molding technologies. We are building a global R&D system, keeping watch on the dynamically changing global medical market. Wire-related research into metals and cutting-edge materials takes place at our Osaka R&D Center. Research and development of resin materials happens at our Shizuoka R&D Center. Research and development of dye and injection molding and other high-precision processing technologies is conducted at our Tohoku R&D Center. At our global headquarters and its adjacent R&D Center, we develop medical products by integrating the technological findings of other centers and by using the feedback from top doctors. The simulation room at our R&D Center provides an environment for evaluating product prototypes and for training doctors in an environment that closely replicates the conditions of actual clinical settings. Outside of Japan, Asahi Intecc Thailand engages in product improvement development and production technology development. In the United States, Asahi Intecc USA is working with the country's doctors to develop peripheral catheters which are in high demand in the US market. Asahi Medical Technologies, located near Silicon Valley, a center of the development of cutting-edge medical devices, gathers technological information coming out of the valley and develops its own unique devices. Armed with lessons learned from the 2011 Thailand floods, we are working to further boost production efficiency and promote decentralization to strengthen business continuity planning. We are building a mutually complementary system where all factories can produce the same products. With increasingly automated production systems that meet the high-quality standards required of medical devices, we flexibly handle procurement, production, and shipping. In order to guarantee the high quality required for medical devices, we perform timely quality control by supervising development and production sites, and by maintaining and managing our certifications in international standards. We have established a global regulatory affairs system by allocating specialized personnel who deal with the legal systems in each country. And our sales network has expanded to over 110 countries and regions. In the US, we have launched a direct sales business aiming to further increase our market share. In addition to our world-leading cardiovascular products, Asahi Intecc develops various devices used for neurovascular, abdominal vascular, peripheral vascular, and other endovascular therapeutic areas. In recent years, we have also been developing products used for gastrointestinal endoscopy. In the cardiovascular field, Asahi Intecc developed the world's first products useful for CTO treatment, contributing to significant increases in success rate. CTO, chronic total occlusion, is a lesion that has been completely occluded for a long period in a blood vessel. High torque performance and pushability were required for a guide wire to be able to pass through such a hard lesion.
アメリカの製造メーカーのワイヤーのコアと、それからインテック製のですね、ワイヤーのコアを見比べたことがあるんですね。もう明らかにその違いがあるわけですね、米国のメーカーと。で、それを見たときに、アサイインテック社さんが CTO 用のワイヤーを開発してくれればですね、もっといいワイヤーができるだろうというのは、もうその時直感的にすぐ思いましたので。
I think with the move of Asahi to ownership of their guide wires and their microcatheters, we're going to see much more knowledgeable salespeople who are more vested in the success of that technology. And I think that we hopefully will see ongoing investment into research and physician education via, hopefully in some ways, a more nimble sales force because it's smaller and potentially more flexible.
We will also strengthen our sales structure in the rapidly expanding Chinese market and introduce products that closely match local needs.
I guess maybe in the next years, the PCI in whole China should be over 3 million. I think we have a lot of things to do. We have to train our colleagues, especially the young colleagues, encourage them to get involved for coronary intervention, and more local hospitals, especially now the county hospital also now got involved to handle acute myocardial infarction, especially for primary PCI.
We also develop highly specialized products to meet doctors' needs in neurovascular treatment. We now supply products that have been shown to be effective in thrombectomy for ischemic stroke and the treatment of aneurysms and other lesions.
Asahi technology is something that was, for me, very much a synonym of a great technology, a great product. You know, like I always felt that the quality that was associated to Asahi was also always very much a very high standard. This became very true when I started using a lot of the Asahi products. You start getting a feel of the reliability, the consistency of that product.
The volume of procedures are increasing a lot. We need much more specialized products. We need families of guiding catheters, of balloon guidings. We need smaller wires. We need wires that enable the aspiration catheter to be navigated more easily. There are so many things to do. I'm sure that soon we'll have new families of products coming out.
We are also expanding to the field of gastroenterology and developing endoscopic guide wires used during a procedure called ERCP for stone removal and other gastroenterological products. Our products also have a fine reputation in the field of gastroenterology thanks to their excellent torque performance and safety.
循環器領域での培ったそういった技術を、うまく消化器に取り込んで改良するその力というスピードがもう本当に速いと。たくさんの技術者がですね、本当に自由闊達に意見を言うことができる社風があって、みんなで解決をする知恵を出すと。いろんなアイデアを試しながらですね、最適な道に進むっていうことができる会社じゃないかなというふうに思います。当社に対する期待度っていうのも高まってきましたので、むしろ世界の先生方、世界のユーザーさんからですね、こういうものを作ってほしいと、こういう意見が非常に多くなってきてます。我々はやはり開発の拠点を日本だけじゃなくて海外にですね、アメリカにもですね、今回新しく拠点を作りましたし、またタイの我々の主力工場の中にもですね、改良開発ができるスタッフを置いて今着実に進めていっているというような状況です。我々はこのステージから次のステージに移っていきたいということで、新しい新規分野ですね、将来の医療になるロボティクスのさまざまな医療があります。これは外科の分野だったり内科の分野だったり、こういったところにもですね手掛けていけるんではないかというふうに思ってます。一つは既存領域、特に循環器で培ってきた、あるいは血管分野で培ってきたそういうガイドワイヤーのビジネスですね、これはしっかりやっていくと。片方では新規分野、我々が今まで扱っていない分野、これにチャレンジしていきたいというふうに思っています。我々の持っているコアコンピタンスの技術、これと我々が持っていない技術ですね、これを融合させることによって新しいイノベーションを起こしていくと。
Our endless energy enables to face the challenge of saving human lives with technology and passion. Our one and only technologies help us become a global niche top company. The future of healthcare through truly unique technology. Asahi Intecc.